uh, tornadoes, flood, uh, that, that struck, there's earthquakes that struck infrastructure buildings, and as well as kills human, etc., etc. Damage and change, especially change the place at the present time. In our present time, is for me is one of the cause of uh, present to past, present to future. A time traveler, someone. I mean, there is a chance. There is a chance that the time traveling is already is existing, already existing, more like, yeah, you will see in for me, movies, cartoons, anime are not all fiction. A lot of them are more like theorems or probabilities of what might happen in the future, or what's happening in the present or the past. Probability, possibility, or the exact happening. It's more like, I take movies, not only, or cartoons, anime, not only that. But for me, it's very educative. It's more like I gain education from them. I combine them with my studies, elementary, high school, college, plus genealogy of my father and mom. It's more like those, and then come up with this ideas, students, that just like I said, what's going on here in our present time, the changes, especially those big floods, tsunamis, etc. Then they will rebuild it and change it for us, so the humans. I have a shooting idea that time traveling is more possible, very possible, very much still existing in the past. You see in an anime, X-Men. The mutants are what we call product of evolution. Humans thought that evolution they stop for being humans, but no. You will see there's in Manila, Philippines, there are kids with pyrokinesis, and there are lots of telekinesis, gifted child, and gifted telepaths are very common, etc., etc. You'll see the time traveler, Mr. Cable. You will notice in those episodes that those huge time wormhole, more like the typhoons. You will notice the typhoons, the big tornadoes that massively destroyed a lot of buildings, a lot of houses in America, kill a lot of people there. Then you will see after the destruction, they will change it. They will rebuild it, and you will see the big change. Now do you get me the big change from the supposed to be shaped to the new one. You will see the my idea that someone, or is it that makes it time traveling more like possible. uh, I'm not forcing this one to, I mean, time traveling for me, example, uh, camera. You will see a camera, a picture, a camera. You will see the, in the lens there. You will capture a picture at this present time, at this time at past, for example. Then the picture that you have will be seen in lots of times in the present, in the future, till it be destroyed. uh, Another one is, uh, uh, um, uh, you will see the black hole. uh, Albert Einstein have a theory, and other scientists says that have a theory these black holes in the universe are more like a warp zone, or when you it's more like, you can use those for time travel, a hole to another space and time. uh, let's make the example simple in time travel. You'll see that in a mother, a woman married, they meet that. You will see the mouth of the woman to its intestine. You will see more like a black hole, or wormhole there. And then you will notice a baby when it becomes pregnant, and you will see that baby will be born in another space and time. The baby is composed of the genes of her, or his mom, or dad. Now they get now they get the catch that can travel, etc., etc. Another example is a film. We will shoot it now. You will see the camera. The camera is more like the huge hole of the black hole. Then you will see the cable. You will see the elongated path. Like, for example, this camera, this webcam that we're using now is shooting at me. It's more like, when a picture, and the cable is more like a wormhole. And when I record it, it will be seen. In different times. Like, after my recording, in future times. It depends when YouTube is gonna, I guess. Okay, this has been Mario Antonio pa rin from Manila, Philippines. Mabuhay. Pareho po lahat. Palinaw. Pareho palinaw ko lang. Bye. Bye guys. Love you guys. My weird stuff, okay? It's time to hear yours.